Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to set up the bento box for gas detect mode. That's when you want the bento box to automatically shut down its power output when flammable gas is detected at a predefined percentage of LEL. So first what you want to do is make sure your main switch is off, FMC plugged in, antennas on, they're all secure. That's reset out. Manual switch is in, your mode switch is in manual. Your power supply and light circuit breaker and transformer circuit breakers are all on. You've got nothing plugged into the box because otherwise it'll go live and start up your machinery. Alright, so before you energise from source, you want to make sure that the area is safe. Follow your procedures. Alright, just flick it on now. Okay, flick your main switch on. Alright, so what you want to do is you take this mode switch and you hold it on reset until the light comes on. That beeping noise is the FMC starting up. Takes about 15 seconds for it to load up, and then it's ready to go. So what you want is all your gas detectors to be turned off at this stage until your FMC unit's powered up. Then you can turn them all on. Takes a few seconds to load and then it hits this screen here. Okay, so now what we can do is turn our gas detectors on. Now the first one to turn on is the master one. Doesn't work without this one. So you just hold that button down for 5 seconds and it'll come on. Like that. And then you can turn your field detectors on. I'll just turn 2 of them on for now. Okay, so they take about a minute to start up. So the way the receiver's programmed is once it's powered up and you start connecting devices to it, if you, let's say, connect 2 devices and then one of them drops out because battery goes dead or it goes out of range, then the FMC will cut power to your output devices. Now what you can do is you can replace the faulty one with a spare one if you've got it and start it up so that your connected devices goes back to 2 again and it'll work. But if you wanted to just go from 2 devices to 1 device, you're decreasing the number of connected devices for that session, and you'll have to restart the whole machine from the beginning again, which means powering it down by hitting that button and resetting it, and then hitting your reset switch, connecting all your gas detectors again from the beginning. If you just want to replace one gas detector for another, then you don't have to power down this device. You can just hit the reset button and then they'll all reconnect. Well, after they've reconnected, sorry. Alright, so there we go. We've got 3 devices connected now. So now it's ready to run. What you do is you go across to here and you can flick this to gas detect mode and then lock it, stop unauthorized use. And that's it. All your outputs are turned on at the moment and you're ready to operate. It's in full automatic mode, so when gas is detected it'll either alarm or it'll shut down.